In this video, we are going to see how we can download and install the trial version of Rhino 3D totally for free, pretty easy, fast, and so you can do this in really few steps. So you need to go to the website here, the official Rhino or Rhinoceros 3D website. So you can search for it in Google like that. And once you're in, there we go. So this is the presentation of the new version of Rhino, which it's about new ways of modeling, which also includes now polygonal nerves modeling and also grasshopper and bringing grasshopper to Revit and so on. So you can check all the features here, the gallery of works and many stuff, but for the download you will have to go here in the download page, and you can see here you have a 90 days evaluation version. This means that you can use Rhino 7 for 3 months basically without paying anything. So you don't have to buy it, you can try it for 90 days, which is a lot of time. And then when you finish these 90 days, you can redo this operation right here, which is basically creating an email and asking for a license, receiving the email with the license, and that's it. And the link for the download, and that's it. You don't need to do anything. So you click here if you have Windows, or here if you have Mac. So let's assume that you have Windows. So we click here on the Rhino 7 for Windows evaluation. And again, this is reminding you that this is going to work for 90 days. You can also check the requirements here that you need to create and to work with Rhinoceros. Okay, now you just need to log in or create a Rhino account to download it. So if you click on this button here, you're gonna be prompted to access with Google or with Facebook, or you can insert here any email that you want. You can just create an email right now using any service, any free service. You create an email and then you insert the email here and you insert an account, Google or Facebook, and there you go. So right now I already have an account. I already created an email for this. And so now I just need to go into my email and check for the email from Rhinoceros or McNeil. McNeil is the software